All right, moving on to the bigger tractor. What I got going on here is early in the summer, I wanted to replace the temperature gauge because it wasn't working. So I went to, got a new gauge installed, but it goes, the wire, basically it's got this line that comes down, routes under the battery box here, and it goes in. Right here is the temperature probe, goes into the block. In order to get that out, because this is in the way, this is the battery box. It's just all pretty rusty. The cables that I had on, they were all corroded. They're in really bad shape. So I decided to take it apart. I'd replace the cables, and basically to do that, come around this side. Here's the other side of that. And right here's the starter. It's like a solenoid, and the positive battery cable terminates right here. It's not on right now. And in the way here is this area is the air cleaner. Basically air is sucked in through the fender here, and there's a big cylinder that's oil filled. Yeah, it goes through there, all the junk gets down in the oil on the bottom, and it goes out a tube into the carburetor here. So I had to remove all that just to get the battery box out. So I went ahead and kind of cleaned everything up and tried to paint it. All right, well, I got my positive battery cable on here. This is the top part of the air cleaner. Just top part just sticks up behind that vent. And all that's left here is I gotta fill up this part on the bottom. This goes in here, and you just fill up to this line with oil. And the oil is actually what traps any particles that come in. Gets just stuck down the oil, and every so often you just clean the oil out, and it's good to go. There's no actual, it's not like a paper filter. It's almost to the line there, just got to add a little bit more. And good. Just a little under a quart on these. Well, alright, we got our battery back in. I've just got this bungee holding it. That's how it was when I bought the tractor. It's supposed to be these little hooks. I think there's one that goes in here. And it's supposed to be like a plate that'll hold this battery down. Ones I found, it doesn't seem to work with this this type of battery here. This tractor's been converted over to 12 volt. And I'm not sure if there's a difference in the size of these batteries. I think the original batteries were a little wider. Just maybe this particular battery. This is more like a car battery. But it's got this bungee here, and this has held it in place pretty good since I've had it. It's still in good shape, so because I might end up having to fabricate my own little plate to hold the battery down in the future. But for now, the bungee's gonna work just fine. Well, all right, we're ready to see if she'll start up here. We'll turn our key on. Yeah, we got power. That's a good sign.